Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experienced. And we will also share a few of the remote job opportunities wherein you can apply and you can get some more calls. So there are multiple job opportunities and I'll be putting this links in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. So you can apply from there. So the first job opportunity, which is a remote, so there is a requirement for junior QA. Experience required is 1 to 2 years, and they're looking for someone who has got strong manual testing experience and basics of automation. So you can share your CV at this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA analyst. Again, company is Axero Solutions, and it will be a remote experience 1 year or above. So interested candidates can send their CV to this email address. Then there is a requirement for software testers in Bangalore, and the experience required is 0.6 to 3 years. And they are looking for someone who is from Bangalore itself and someone who has got experience in API testing tools such as Postman or JMeter. And Selenium, rest assured, experience would be plus. Knowledge of programming languages, Java, Python, JavaScript, and you can send your resume to this email address. Then Comcast is hiring for SDETs. So experience is 2 to 7.5 years. Location is Chennai. And notice period is immediate to 45 days. So these are the requirements. They need proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, hands-on experience with automation tools, frameworks such as Selenium, APM, and knowledge of API testing and related tools. And you can drop your resume at this email address. Then there are multiple requirements of senior .NET developer, manual QA engineer, mobile and web API testing, again, manual QA engineer. So these particular openings are there, and these are all remote job opportunities, right? So these are fully remote job opportunities. You don't need to email to anyone. You just need to apply to their website. Then Testing Experts is a company which is hiring for senior QA automation engineer. So someone who is having skill set in API automation, C# can apply. Experience required is 5+ years, and the location would be Chandigarh, Noida, Hyderabad, or Bangalore. So notice period is immediate to 15 days, and this is the email address wherein you need to apply. So they are looking for C# with Selenium. Then Bluebit is hiring for QA testers. So you can drop your resume at this email address. Experience required is 2 to 5 years, and the location would be Surat. Then there is one more requirement for QA manual testing lead. It's a remote job opportunity. The shift timings will be 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. or 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. or 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. So experience required is 9 to 15 years. So they are looking for someone who can lead the manual testing processes and mentor QA teams. Strong expertise in manual testing, API testing, and Jira is a must. And you need to apply. And this is the email address wherein you need to apply. Then there is a requirement for QA. Skills required is automation. So experience required is 6 months to 2 years. And this is the email address. Then Impetus company is hiring for, again, QA. So 3 years to 6 years, and skill set required is automation testing, performance testing, SDET. Location is Indore, Noida, Gurgaon, and Pune. And you can apply on this email address with the details that you need to share, current CTC, and what are your expectation, salary, notice periods, so all these things is required. Then there is a requirement for QA tester at Indore. So they are looking for someone who is having 2 years of experience, and manual and automation testing both is required. And this is the email address. Then one more company which is hiring for QA manual testing. The location is Mohali. So this is it. And then there is a requirement for testers in Mumbai location only. And they are looking for the role of manual testers for capital markets. So budget would be 5 to 6 LPA. Location is Mumbai. And interested candidates can comment interested, or you can also share your CV on this WhatsApp number, or you can also email at this email address. So there are multiple job opportunities for software testers, remote, freshers, experienced, everything we saw. So request you to please like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these kind of information are being shared absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.